Yeah, welcome back to channel Tech with Nidhi guys, and it's your host Nikthesh. So yeah, in today's episode I'm gonna make a review about a pair of earphones. And you guys may be thinking, a pair of earphones, what's so special about it? So in the past I've reviewed some headphones as well as some Bluetooth earbuds, but this earphones is by far one of the best purchases I've done so far. So I'm gonna make a quick review about the ZSN PRO new hybrid driver earphones. So, quick review, the unboxing itself is pretty basic. You guys can get the box. Inside, you guys can get a new pair of drivers for the earphones, some user manual, interchangeable ear tips, as well as the cable itself. So the unboxing is pretty basic because it's a small box. But the star of the show is the driver and the cable itself. So you guys will be getting two drivers, because one for the right, one for the left ears, and the drivers can be taken apart. Feels like gold. So it's hefty, it's strong, it's made out of metal, as well as the plastic on the bottom itself is actually pretty sturdy and pretty strong, and it pretty feels good on your hands, even on your ears. Like for me, I just wear this again. Without the cable itself, it feels pretty secure in my ears. I just can jiggle around, nothing will. And for the earphones, the cable. So what you guys need to do with the included cable, you need to look at whether it's left or right, and just plug it in, put it inside, bada bing, bada bam. It's perfectly secure inside your ears. So how about the cable itself? The cable feels pretty fantastic. It's pretty strong actually, and I do like the L-shaped headphone jack. So when you guys plug it inside your phone, it stays flush in your phone, especially when you're playing games like this. It doesn't interfere with your finger or something, which is quite good actually. So apart from the build quality, the build quality is one of the highlights of these earphones, how about this audio quality? Actually fantastic. Apart from one thing, it lacked bass. Like the lack of bass does show you quite sometimes on some bass heavy music, but for me, for a normal type of music without that many bass, it sounds pretty good for me. And while the lack of bass can show you here and there, but you guys can use an equalizer to bump up the bass of these earphones, because bumping up the bass of these earphones do sound really good, but default it doesn't have that much bass. But for the highs and lows, pretty fantastic, at least in my opinion. So would I recommend you guys getting one of these things? Absolutely. It's pretty good, pretty good on the ear. Like it's pretty sturdy and it's pretty strong, and you guys can use these earphones for years actually. This is one lightning to headphone jack adapter, but this one is DAC as well. So the DAC will actually improve the audio quality of your earphones. While you guys can use the standard lightning to headphone jack thing, is good, but for me this DAC will improve your audio quality substantially, other than the original lightning adapter that you can guys get in the Apple box that you guys used to. So I would recommend for the iPhone users to get one of these things. So yeah, that's been it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what your tutorial guys is. If you're new to this channel guys, I'll try to do any uploads. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later, and hope you guys enjoy. Peace.